Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video, I am gonna do this comparison between the Motorola G57 Power and this Realme P4x 5G smartphone. So friends, let's test a quick review. So friends, you can see first the back side of this design. So you can see it is something like the cloth material is there, and in this you will see some matte finish over here, and you can see the look of this. Here it is, the Realme is written and has a two camera setup, and in this you can see the three camera setup. So first let's talk about its ports and button, and then will continue this. So friends, you will see here it is the power button both the side of the smartphone. So here it is the volume rocker button, the both the side. So at the bottom you will see one speaker is there, one type C charging port, microphone, 3.5 audio jack, one, here it is sim card here, and there it is at the top microphone, and here it is also written Dolby Atmos, it is written at the top. So friends, let's keep it aside and let's talk about this smartphone. So it has also same volume and power button. At the bottom you will see speaker, type C charging port, and here it is TIA sim card slot also, and at the top you can see it has dual speaker with dual microphone, but it does not have any 3.5 audio jack. So let's open it. So friends, when you just open it, you can see this the Motorola G57 comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 6s Gen 4, and the Realme one comes with MediaTek Dimensity 7400 Ultra. So let's test the performance of these two. So first let's check the refresh rate. So friends, when you come to this part of this smartphone, you can see in the settings, let's type here the refresh rate. Right there you can see. So friends, the Realme one comes with 144 Hz of refresh rate, and in comparison with the Motorola it comes only 120 Hz of the refresh rate. You can see. Let's talk about the camera setups. So friends, the Realme P4x comes with 50 megapixel of back camera, 2 megapixel of ultra wide camera, and in this Motorola smartphone it comes with 50 megapixel plus 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, and front camera both have 8 megapixel. So first let's talk about the Android. So friends, the Realme one, friends, you can see the Realme smartphone comes with Android version 15, and the Motorola smartphone comes with 16, Android 16. So you will get more feature in this Motorola smartphone. So the Motorola smartphone provides 30 volt of fast charging in 7000 mAh battery. So both have 7000 mAh, so both are competing both each other, but the Motorola comes with 30 volt of charging and the Realme one comes with 45 volt of charging. So this makes a lot of difference when you charge your smartphone. So friends, it both have extendable up to 1 TB and has a great feature in both the mobile phones. As you can see, if you want, this is cheaper than the Realme one. So if you are go with this mobile, you will provided by the good camera setup, and if you want a powerful performance thing, you can choose Realme. So this is expensive than this, so not lots of, but some amount. So you can see that both are in mid-range budget. You can see that. So friends, now I am highlighting the key points of these two smartphones. So if you choose this Realme smartphone in performance mode, the Realme phone with the Dimensity 7400 Ultra is generally the superior choice for you if you want to go for a performance. So friends, for those who prioritize gaming and demanding application, its performance benchmark score are higher, and its is a features a cooling system. So it has a cooling system also, so it will not heat your smartphone. And charging speed, both phones have an enormous 7000 mAh battery, but the Realme charges noticeably faster than its with its 45 volt of compared to the Motorola 130 volt. And let's talk about the camera versatility. So friends, Motorola G57 Power offers an 8 megapixel of ultra wide camera for wider shots, which is typically more useful and generally photography than the 2 megapixel macro lens on the Realme 4 P4x. So the extra feature is the Motorola smartphone includes with 3.5 or headphone jack. If you choose not the wireless headphones, or if you use wired, you can choose this one, both which are missing on the Realme, but there is not on the Realme side. So the battery is good, the display has both have 6.2 6.72 inches full HD plus LCD display. So you can see the refresh rate is higher in the Realme one, and both have durability. Both have an IP64 rating for dust and splash resistance. So but in protection of the screen, the Motorola ones have the greater protection of the Gorilla Glass, you can see. So if you like these two, you can just comment down which one you wanna buy and which wanna not. So tell me in the comments so you can see the design. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.